Hey there, math whizzes! Welcome back to G Tutorials, another exciting journey into the world of numbers. Today I'm unlocking the secrets of exponents and scientific notation, two powerful tools that will make your math life so much easier. These are super important tools in grade 9 math, and mastering them will give you a huge advantage. So let's dive right in and explore these concepts together. First up, exponents. Imagine you have the number 2 and you raise it to the power of 3. This is a fundamental concept that will help you understand more complex problems. That's 2x2x2, which equals 8. Easy, right? This simple multiplication shows the power of exponents in action. But here's the cool part. The same rules apply even if your base is a variable, like x. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities in algebra. If you have x to the power of 3, it means x times x times x. This is a key concept in algebra that you'll use again and again. Simple. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how powerful exponents can be. Now, what happens when you raise a quotient to a power? This is another important concept that will help you solve more complex problems. Let's say you have 2/3 to the power of 2. This might look tricky at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. You raise both the numerator and the denominator to that power. This is a simple rule that makes working with fractions much easier. So, 2/3 squared is 2 squared over 3 squared, which is 4/9. See, it's not that tricky. With a bit of practice, you'll be solving these in no time. Exponents are super handy when dealing with really large or really small numbers. They simplify complex calculations and make your work much more manageable. Think about the vast distances in our solar system or the tiny size of a cell. These are perfect examples of where exponents come in handy. Instead of writing out a bazillion zeros, we use exponents to keep things neat and tidy. This is where scientific notation comes into play. And that brings us to scientific notation. It's a way to express those giant or microscopic numbers without losing our minds. This is a crucial tool for scientists and mathematicians. Here's how you do it. Take a big number, like 500,000. In scientific notation, you move the decimal point so there's only one digit in front. So, 500,000 becomes 5.0 x 10 to the 5th power. The exponent shows how many places you move the decimal. This makes it much easier to work with large numbers. Let's try a tiny number. How about 0.0003? In scientific notation, we move the decimal point 4 places to the right. This makes it 3.0 x 10 to the negative 4th power. The negative exponent indicates a small number. This is a powerful way to simplify calculations with very small numbers. To sum it all up, exponents and scientific notation might seem tricky at first, but they're incredibly useful for simplifying big and small numbers. With a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Alright, that's it for today's math adventure. I hope you found this lesson helpful, and that you're feeling more confident with exponents and scientific notation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome math tips. Your support helps us create more content to help you succeed. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers and exploring the fascinating world of math. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each problem you solve, you're getting better and better. See you in the next video. Keep up the great work, and don't forget to have fun with math. It's an amazing subject that opens up so many possibilities. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers and stay curious.